I've wanted this for so many years. To go to Dunfermline and play East End is actually a childhood dream of mine. You know, I had a season ticket there for years growing up. You know, for about 12, 13 years. We were there every weekend, had birthday parties on the pitch when it was artificial grass. I love coming back to Scotland and being back amongst this group. You know, a couple of new players, new staff, and yeah, ready to go again. As much as the Nations League campaign was tough, we finished on a positive note, and I think that was Mel's first camp, and you know, the energy that she's bringing in with her is great. I think it's good for the team. She's very enthusiastic, she's very passionate, and we're excited to obviously get to know her more. But yeah, so far it's been really positive, and this is a good opportunity for us to prepare for next year and work on maybe a few more things that you don't always get time for when it's competitive matches. So I think these camps are really important for the squad, looking ahead to next year, and just having more time together is kind of key for us right now. I think what's good about our squad at the moment is we have a real good mix of young players coming through and also experienced players. I think I'm one of quite a few experienced players, a bit older, that have been around for a little bit and can share their experiences with these younger players. You know, we're trying to lead by example and how we behave on and off the pitch, I guess. But yeah, it's a real good mix, I think, in the squad at the moment.
In Tazen Sakai, her clúichetar Real Madrid Caroline Weir, enimchig gear liste Ballon d'Or ng ban. Ich sonriche is je fine shachet Rion ACL an een faighinn keer. Och juns kun de gonje wie kutst in een runneken is mohe aan een balkosje. Hij some buin is mohe a horsted in Tazen show.
I was really surprised to be on the list, to be honest. I think, you know, there were some top players on that list, and yeah, just to be included it was a huge honour, of course, but it was a surprise. And yeah, I guess last year was, you know, kind of comeback season from the ACL, so it did probably make it special in that sense. But yeah, it was really cool to be nominated. It was an amazing experience being there. I just tried to embrace every moment of it. It was a really cool ceremony and everything that went alongside it, so I'm not sure if these things will ever happen again, you know, so it was cool to be involved. I'm in my 4th season at Madrid now, so that's gone really fast in some ways. It's a really amazing place to live. It's an amazing club to be part of. You know, we want to push on again this season, compete on all fronts in all competitions. It's tough, you know, Champions League and Liga F, but yeah, I'm enjoying being there and ready to go again this season.
Is gaibh a cawl amach farpasin Yorpach ng ban, agus a coit von tai, had all Caroline agus an skipper riamh ho díchlo. Le cúpa na crúine fiche sa seach an in Brazil fare, heit jéisiil son rútsan bí a dhéanamh gus fine out.
It's always really tough when the tournament rolls around and we're not there, and yeah, it's hard to watch. You know, I do watch it, but I find it difficult, and I think the tournament, the Euros, was amazing. You know, every tournament is getting bigger and better, you know, and the World Cup will be the same in a couple of years, and so yeah, I don't think we need any extra motivation to be there because we know how it feels to miss out, unfortunately. But we are all about looking forward now, looking forward to making the most of our time together in these camps, and then obviously going into next year in the best place possible, and really eager to do well and make that World Cup. When we did reach the Euros and the World Cup in 2019, what that can do for the women's and girls' game in Scotland, it was amazing kind of to see the impact that had. And yeah, we want to create the same. We want to do the same. We want to engage as many fans as possible. We know how important the support is to the squad and how it can take us across the line. So I think we're confident. I think we have to be confident. We have to think that we can do it. Of course, we know it's not going to be easy. Like, we know these campaigns are really tough. We've been through them, you know, the past couple of years. We know what can happen. But yeah, I feel like we're going to give it our best shot. We're going to give ourselves the best chance to go and compete and be there. And that is all we're focused on, and definitely the main objective. I think for me, I want to keep enjoying my football. I think that is obviously key, and to do that, I want to be winning at club and helping this team win as well. In the short term, obviously that's these camps, these friendlies, and then it goes into a qualifying campaign, and then, you know, the big goal is the World Cup. That is the #1 objective that I have, is reach another major tournament with Scotland. And yeah, I'll be doing everything to hopefully help the team and do my best, and yeah, that's the goal.